back to another channel brought to you by Simone Nicole TV. If you are new, hi, make sure you subscribe so you know about my upcoming videos. If you've been here before, gang gang, thanks for showing up and showing out. Thanks for watching another video. So today I am in Miami, Florida. I just landed about an hour ago. A flight was a breeze. It was pretty much a breeze. It was a total of maybe 3 hours to get here. I flew from Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee. Had a layover of like 30 minutes, really an hour, but you know, Atlanta airport. Had a layover in Atlanta, but most of my time was me walking. So by the time I got to the gate in Atlanta, they were already boarding for military. So yeah, and then I flew from Atlanta to here, and I already met somebody at the airport. I was standing in the shuttle line. There wasn't a line. I was standing in the shuttle area, the bus slash hotel shuttle. I was standing there in line waiting for my shuttle to get there. I had to call the hotel to make sure that it was coming, and then the hotel actually told me about the website to use. So I used that to actually watch it in real time of where it was arriving, and I'll insert some clips of that. It was really cool. Very, 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 very convenient for me to know where the shuttle is, how long it's going to take to get to me, and the location I should be standing at, because it had pictures and it had the actual like green breadcrumb of what the shuttle route is. But I met this young lady at the stop, because we were both looking for our shuttles, and I asked her, I said, are you going to the Element? She's like, no, I'm going to Holiday Inn. And as soon as she said that, the Holiday Inn like passed our stop. I'm like, wait a minute, do they not see us standing here? I was like, there it goes. She's like, yeah. So she tried to call on somebody, and then I called my hotel, because I was like, I hope they ain't gonna do me like that. I hope they're not gonna just drive past me like they don't see me standing here, because they did her dirty. Like, what, you don't see us standing here, sir? But yeah, I was waiting for my shuttle for at least 10 minutes before she walked up. So after that happened to her, I called mine to make sure they know that I was going to be there. Like, there's a person waiting for you. And as soon as I called the front desk, they said, okay, we'll let him know that you're waiting. He arrived within the next 5 minutes. So I feel like he was parked somewhere, but it's okay, because he was really nice. And he you know, helped with my bags, walked my bags to the front desk of the hotel, which was super sweet. But yes, the girl that I met, followed her on Instagram before I hopped into my shuttle, and she told me that she works for the cruise line, and she was about my age. I didn't ask her age, but she looked around like early 20s to mid 20s, and I'm like 27. So yeah, she said she's going to Barbados right now, and she works for security on the cruise line. I was like, oh, that's so cool. And she asked me what I do, and I told her, you know, I travel for work, and I told the company I work for. But yeah, and then I DM'd her. I was like, after we followed each other, I was already on the shuttle, so I DM'd her, and I was like, whenever you're back in Miami, you know, I'm gonna be here for a month. We can go out and have some lunch or something. Just let me know. So hopefully, maybe you guys will see her in the vlog. Maybe I'll just have a story to tell you after if we do hang out. Figure out my next moves, because I booked this hotel for only one night, and I actually like the location. What won me over, honey, is the fact that the shuttle will also take you to restaurants nearby, as long as it's no more than 3-mile radius. And she said all you have to do is just call down, let us know whenever you want to go somewhere, and then the shuttle will take you. As long as they have to stop to the airport first, because that's their main duty, is to pick up people from the airport. So she said, we'll just stop to the airport, and then we'll take you wherever you want to go. If you want to go eat or go shopping or whatever. And one of the ladies at the front desk was telling me that there's a place called Catch of the Day. If anybody recognizes that restaurant, I've never been there before, obviously. She told me they have a special on the beer buckets. I don't drink beer, but that's okay. That's okay. But yeah, I'm probably gonna go eat there, because it's gonna be a free ride for one, and it's near the hotel. She said it's like a mile away. But I'm gonna look into it first, because I don't know what I'm getting myself into, you know. So I'm gonna look into that, and then I'll pick the camera up probably when I get there, just to show you guys. So this is day 1 in Miami. I'm gonna be here for maybe a month. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I guess it's gonna be like, I might vlog every day, to be honest, just so y'all can see what I'm doing here in Miami. I've been here before. This is my first time being in Miami, Florida, and I've lived in Florida before, but I have never stayed in Miami, I guess, outside of work. So it'll be more of a personal and more of a better experience of what I want to do, and not having to be limited to time, for one, because I'm gonna be here for a while. Give you guys a quick little tour of the room before I actually get in the shower, because I just got off the flight and I feel nasty and stink, and you know, like you just been flying all day. This is on the back of the door. Basic hotel necessities, right? In case there's a fire. You come in to the right. You can do the temperature. Right now it's at 73. You have the lights over here. When I walked in, I was like, oh, honey, the light in the hallway and the light over the sink comes on. Look at that. You see that? Let me show you again. Boom. We have a closet to the right as soon as you walk in. A 2-door, double-door closet with a safe at the bottom. And then across from the closet, we have a restroom. It's very cute. The glass shower. And there's a mirror right here. And there's another mirror here. Turn the lights on. Oh, here it looks like this with just the one light. Very sensual, very like calming, very like ooh la la, like honey, I don't need all the bright lights. Take a shower. Then we can turn on the other light. How you do this? Am I doing something wrong? Oh, there we go. So this is the bigger mirror. And then we have a little sink here. It's cute. What is this? Oh, okay. Look like it's already open though, child. Honey, who be using the soap and put it back in there? Well, who knows? I have my, do I have soap? I don't know. Lotion. Yeah, you know, bathroom things. And then once you come out of the bathroom, you come straight in. There's like a little sitting area. There's no chairs here. The chairs are over there. You have a microwave, cabinet space. This is a studio, by the way. This is a studio, 1 bedroom hotel. You have stuff over there. Things that I dropped off already. Rolling chair, 2 short chairs. This is my current view. I'm gonna go ahead and book for 2 more nights because I actually have an Airbnb I'm gonna be staying at. It's just that I didn't know what exact day I was gonna be flying in to Miami, so I didn't want to book my Airbnb days too early. So I have until Monday, so I need to make sure I have a hotel for the next 3 nights because today is Thursday. Yeah, there's water over there, but I can't see. This is my view. I'm okay with that. And this is the bedroom. Oh, my voice. The bedroom, lamps, and then we have chairs. I like it because of the kitchen. That's really what I wanted, just in case I want to cook something. And the TV, of course. And there goes my name. Good afternoon, Simone. Hello. So yeah, in case I wanted to cook something, we have silverware, bowl, salt and pepper. Happy about that because I don't have any seasoning. We have plates. Yes, plates. What is that, a toaster? Trash can. Oh, I love that they have actual cleaning supplies because other suites that I stay in, sometimes they don't offer that. And it's like, how am I supposed to clean the dishes, you guys, with pots? So to be honest, tomorrow I'm gonna get groceries for the weekend because I'm not trying to spend a lot of money this weekend. I'm not trying to eat out every day here. That's why I have the kitchen behind me, because I want to make sure I'm also budgeting while having fun. Bougie on a budget. But yeah, this is where I'm staying. Day 1 of Miami. Talk to you guys later.